Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about the relationship between fruits and bugs. And what do I mean by bugs? Well, bugs is a software package for performing Bayesian inference using Gibbs sampling, or bugs. Now, what fruits actually is a bugs code. A bugs code that is executed using the bugs software package. Now, the normal user will not see this bugs code or will not notice it, but it is there whenever an estimate is generated. Let me demonstrate this. So let's press here estimate. And as usual, let's give it a few seconds. Yes, okay. So at the end of your results report, you'll have this bugs code. And this is actually fruits. It's this code. Okay? And actually, fruits is different types of code. What the graphical interface does is, in a simple way, allow the user to define specific model instances, okay, which are represented by this code. This code is then fed to the bugs software. The bugs software will generate the estimates, and these estimates are fed back to fruits, and fruits does additional treatment to the data and shows it as results report or graphical outputs. Okay, but if the user wishes, it is also possible to take the bugs code, okay, and work with this code directly in OpenBUGS. So work directly with the fruits code in OpenBUGS. Okay, and this is part of the transparency policy of fruits, so that the user knows exactly what is being done. So let me show you how you could take this code and work within OpenBUGS. So you can visit this OpenBUGS page, and here you have download links, and I have already downloaded the version for Windows and installed it. And here I have a shortcut, so I'm opening it now. And so I want to test this fruits code, and so I will create a new bugs file. And then I simply take all of the bugs code generated by the graphical interface in fruits, I copy it and I paste it. Okay? And so now I'm interested in providing estimates for this code, but now using the OpenBUGS software directly. Okay? So for that I need to specify my model here, and the first step is to click here on model and press check model, and I have this information in the status bar. The model is synthetically correct. Then we need to load our data. So the data is listed after this closing model statement here. Okay, so I select the entire word list and I press load data, and then I have this data loaded in the status bar, and then I do the same for all the following data items. So this one, which are the values observed in the individual. So all of this data is there is information on what it means. So associated error, the weights, concentration, dietary proxies, errors, food groups. Okay, then we compile, model compiled, and then we could say generate initial values, and we have this message here: initial values generated, model initialized. Okay. Then we go to this option here, to this menu here, and then we press samples. Okay. And then we want to generate chains for the different model estimates. And this alpha here corresponds to the main model estimates. The beta corresponds to the contributions from different fractions. And the theta corresponds to the contributions made by the different sources towards the different target proxies. Okay, so I will just generate the chains for this for these main estimates. And so I just copy alpha underscore and I paste it there using Control V. Okay, and I press set. Okay, and next I need to run this, and do it by going to the menu model update. I could press now update just to put in some values, and then let's say we define 10,000 updates like it is by default in fruits, and then we press update again. Okay, and then we can go back to this sample monitor tool, select our alpha and click on stats, for example, and then we have these stats on the mean, estimated mean for this alpha 11. And what does the alpha 11 mean? Well, that's our terrestrial food group, and the 1-2, that's our marine food group. So it's telling us 94% plus minus 5. Let's see if this matches with the report given by fruits. 94 plus minus 5, and 6% plus minus 5. Okay. You could also make density plots like these ones, and you have all sorts of other options within OpenBUGS. So OpenBUGS will give you additional flexibility to work with fruits. And for now,